Our other top story following up on the state Supreme Court decision that embryos are people under state law. The shockwave of that decision causing several facilities in the state to hold or restrict their IVF treatments.
WAY 31 reporter Paige Meyer spoke with a fertility specialist today who works with the National Embryo Donation Center about this ruling and what options parents now have in the state. Paige?
Marie, that's right. Dr. John Gordon has over 25 years of experience helping families with infertility. He says he feels for those families who have had to pause their IVF treatments as clinics across the states try to decipher exactly what this ruling means. Now, Dr. Gordon says although there are a few clinics who have restricted IVF treatments, he knows of clinics who have remained operations as normal, including the Fertility Institute of North Alabama right here in Huntsville. Dr. Gordon says his clinic in Tennessee works closely with the National Embryo Donation Center, a nonprofit that allows couples to relinquish their extra embryos to wanting couples. The nonprofit now has done more cases of embryo adoption than anywhere else in the world. Dr. Gordon says the recent ruling will hopefully cause people to have more conversations about IVF and the options families have with their leftover embryos.
I mean, this is a very emotionally difficult decision to make as to what to do with your extra embryos. And so that's why we're cautious trying to get patients to think about this before they ever go through any type of IVF, because until they've gone through it, they don't always know how they're going to feel about it.
Dr. Gordon says right now, if a couple doesn't want to donate their embryos, they can keep them frozen, donate them to science, or discard them. The Fertility Institute of North Alabama says they will be reconsenting their patients who are scheduled for IVF treatment. This just means that they are re-acknowledging the liability that comes with the procedure. Now, WAY 31 will continue to follow this story and bring you updates as we get them, both on air and online at waytv.com. And make sure to stick around for WAY 31 News at 5, as you will hear more from Dr. Gordon about IVF. But for now, reporting live in Huntsville with coverage you can count on. Paige Meyer, WAY 31 News.